What if I told you that every bite you take is either fueling your body or fighting against it? Nutrition isn't just about food, it's about how you live. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. Just like a car needs the right fuel to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients to function, heal, grow, and thrive. Carbohydrates, proteins, and fats aren't just calories, they're fuel. Without enough of the right nutrients, your energy levels crash, you feel tired, and your body struggles to perform. Ever feel foggy or unfocused? Your brain needs essential fats, glucose, and micronutrients like B vitamins and omega-3s to stay sharp and balanced. From muscles to skin to internal organs, every part of your body needs proteins, vitamins, and minerals to repair cells and build new ones. Nutrition literally keeps your body renewing itself. A strong immune system depends on nutrients like zinc, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Good nutrition helps your body fight off infections, inflammation, and even chronic diseases like diabetes and heart issues. Calcium, vitamin D, magnesium. These nutrients build strong bones and keep your organs running. Deficiency in just one can lead to serious long-term health problems. Nutrition isn't a luxury, it's the foundation of a good life. The better you eat, the better you feel, move, think, and live. Your body is the only place you have to live. Treat it like it matters. Fuel your best self, and stay tuned for more nutrition wisdom from Nutrivia.